Alex, the weekend is finally coming, and I really want to plan something nice for the family.
Yes, we all need a break after such a busy week at work and school.
I was thinking that going to the beach would be relaxing for everyone.
That sounds like a great idea. Because the kids love the beach.
Kids, would you like to go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, Mom. I want to play near the water and build sandcastles.
I want to collect shells and play in the sand.
See, they are already very excited about the plan.
The weather report says it will be sunny and warm.
That is perfect weather for spending time at the beach.
I think we should go early in the morning to avoid the heat.
Yes, going early will also help us find a good place.
Can we take our beach toys with us?
Yes, you can take a few toys, but not too many.
I want to take my small bucket and shovel.
That is fine. And I will pack them carefully.
I feel happy when we plan family trips together.
Me too. Because these moments are very special.
Let's prepare everything tonight, so we don't rush tomorrow.
That sounds like a smart plan.
I can't wait for tomorrow morning.
All right then. Our family beach trip is decided. Kids, please come here, because we need to start packing our bags.
We should pack carefully, so we don't forget anything important.
What kind of clothes should I pack for the beach?
You should pack light clothes, swimwear, and a clean towel.
Can I pack my hat to protect my head from the sun?
Yes, wearing a hat is a very good idea.
I will pack sunscreen, because the sun can be very strong.
Please also pack extra water bottles for everyone.
Yes, staying hydrated is very important at the beach.
Can we take snacks for the trip?
I packed sandwiches, fruits, and some juice for you.
That sounds tasty and healthy.
Let me check if the bags are heavy or not.
They look fine and easy to carry.
I packed my toy car to play with in the sand.
That's okay, but please keep it safe.
Everyone should check their shoes now.
I am wearing my comfortable sandals.
Good. Comfort is important for a long day.
All right, everyone looks ready now.
I feel very excited and happy.
Then let's leave the house and start our trip.
Everyone please buckle up, because safety always comes first.
Thank you for reminding the kids about safety.
Are we going to reach the beach soon?
Not yet, but we are getting closer.
I like looking outside the window during trips.
Let's play some soft music to enjoy the drive.
Music makes long drives feel shorter and calmer.
I like this song very much.
The road looks clear and peaceful today.
Yes, there is no traffic, which is nice.
I can see trees and buildings passing by.
Soon you will see the sea shining in the sunlight.
Really, I am excited to see it.
Yes, we are almost there now.
The kids look so happy and relaxed.
Seeing them happy makes the trip worth it.
I feel a little sleepy in the car.
You can rest your eyes for a while.
Look ahead, the beach sign is coming.
Yay, we are close now.
I can already smell the sea air.
We have arrived at the beach.
Wow, the beach looks so beautiful and wide.
The blue water looks calm and inviting today.
I can see the waves moving slowly.
The sand looks golden and shiny.
Let's find a nice and safe place to sit.
That spot near the umbrella looks perfect.
Yes, it will give us some shade.
Can I run and touch the sand?
You can walk slowly and stay close to us.
I will spread the mat on the sand.
The sand feels warm under my feet.
Be careful because the sand can be hot.
I love listening to the sound of the waves.
It feels calm and peaceful here.
I want to build a big sandcastle.
We will help you build it together.
I want to look for pretty shells.
You can collect some near the shore.
The cool breeze feels very nice.
Yes, it makes the weather perfect.
This is the best day ever.
I am really happy we came here.
Who wants to go into the water and play?
I want to swim and splash in the water.
I want to play near the water, but not too deep.
That is fine, and we will stay together.
Please hold my hand while we walk.
The water feels cold.
Yes, but your body will adjust soon.
The waves feel funny on my feet.
The waves are gentle and safe today.
That makes me feel relaxed.
Look, I can splash water.
Please be careful and don't splash too much.
Let's walk slowly along the shore.
I like how the wet sand feels soft.
Me too, it feels nice to walk here.
Time always goes fast at the beach.
Can we stay here longer, please?
We can stay a little more.
I am starting to feel tired now.
That means it's time to rest.
Let's go back to our place.
I had a lot of fun.
All right, kids. It's time to sit down and eat snacks.
I feel very hungry after playing so much.
Please sit properly on the mat.
I would like some juice first.
Here is your juice. Drink slowly.
I will open the sandwiches now.
The sandwiches smell really good.
Please eat slowly and carefully.
The sea looks beautiful while we eat.
Yes, eating by the sea feels special.
I am feeling tired and sleepy.
You can rest your head beside me.
I am full now.
Please drink some water as well.
The kids need energy to stay healthy.
That is very true.
I like eating food at the beach.
Me too, it feels relaxing.
Should we stay a little longer?
Only for a short time.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Then we will slowly get ready to leave. The sun is getting stronger now.
Yes, and it is starting to feel very hot.
I feel tired and sleepy now.
Me too. My legs are tired.
Let's start packing our things.
I will fold the mat and carry the bags.
Kids, please help us a little.
I will carry my toys carefully.
I have my shoes in my hands.
Good job. Thank you for helping.
Let me check if we forgot anything.
I think we packed everything.
Goodbye, beach. I will miss you.
We will come back again someday.
Today was a wonderful family day.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
I had so much fun today.
Let's walk slowly to the car.
Please stay close to us.
Okay, I will.
Everyone is ready to leave now.
Let's head home together.
Finally, we are back home after a long day.
Yes, it was tiring but very enjoyable.
My body feels very tired.
I want to sleep soon.
First, everyone wash your hands and feet.
After that, you can take a warm shower.
I feel sleepy already.
You can sleep soon, dear.
I really enjoyed today's trip.
I am happy to hear that.
The beach trip was definitely worth it.
Yes, it was a great family memory.
Can we go to the beach again?
Maybe we can plan another trip soon.
That makes me happy.
Now let's relax and rest.
I will make some tea for us.
Thank you, that sounds nice.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Dad.
Sleep well, my loves.
What a beautiful family day we had.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.